Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to do a demo of Hailuo AI, which is a text-to-video software, and I'm going to test it out for you. And this is made by Minimax, and I've previously made a video about Minimax chatbot, and now this is the AI, and yeah, it's very good. And first, I want to show you one of the videos I've seen before. So this is a cat. So it's basically like an Olympic human diver, but it's a cat. And what you can do with text to video is incredible. And let's see one more video. I haven't actually watched this one. Let's see what this is. So I think that looks hyper realistic, and that could even be a scene from a movie. And this kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a Pixar character. And it gives you the prompt here, a 3D animated cartoon style young boy. Yeah, so that's quite good. And then this one here, this girl smelling flowers. And what they did is they uploaded the image and they made an, so that's something that's very unique is you're able to upload an image. And I think that might have been from this too. So they had the image and from that image, then they give it a prompt and then, so that's that. So now what I want to do is test out some actual video making. And I've previously made a video in Google Veo 3, which is created a video of a Roman army made of cats fighting a Parthian army made of dogs. And if you don't know, the Roman Empire, this is a map of the Roman Empire, I think at its near its peak, or maybe the peak. And then the Parthian Empire is basically the Persian Empire. It's got a bit of Turkey here, and so on. And what I wanted to do is see what it's like. So I made the prompt of that, and this was the video Google Veo 3 made. And we'll watch here. I think this is a wonderful video. I haven't uploaded this yet. I think it's a wonderful video. Okay, I'll play it one more time because I love that video so much. Okay, so notice Romans had the basically some of the high-ranking officers would have the headdress like that. That's like decorative. And this looks like a Parthian helmet. So I think that was quite good from Google Veo. And now let's using Hailuo. Create a video of a Roman army made of cats fighting a Parthian army made of dogs. And this is what it looks like. And this is actually my first time generating on Hailuo, so you're seeing what I see for the first time. And I don't know how long this is going to take, so I'll come back in a moment and when it's done. Okay, so this took more than a minute, and I actually thought it was going to take much longer, but I think this is really wonderful. And when I just started filming, when I just started recording again, this is when it started again. So this is a complex thing, and I think it's wonderful actually. Let's click on this, see if we make it bigger. So it's got okay, it's got these Rottweilers, and let's see here. Some Rottweilers are holding swords. Okay, it looks like the swords are literally strapped to their bodies. It's not clear, so of course the legs are there, but it's got a sword strapped to its body. So the AI is smart enough to know. That's wonderful. And it looks like all these dogs in the back are sort of walking. I don't really know what they're doing. They're all walking in the same direction. And I can't really tell if these are cats. Okay, there's a cat. And look, so they're wearing the Again, I don't, I might have been wrong, but I think mostly officers would wear the head, but maybe even a lot of the infantry would wear them too. Um, okay, look. Okay, that's wonderful. Because that's actually a complex idea. Um, so we've got the cats are the Romans here, and I guess these are the Parthians. I think that's really wonderful. Okay, and to download it, you can click on the download, and then I assume you have to pay to remove the watermark. But if you have a watermark, you can download regularly. I will download it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I was right. So the download remove watermark, that takes you to some pay area, so you have to pay. If you want to download with the watermark, you can see it like this. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't have sound, but I still think this is really wonderful. And again, these look like Roman soldiers, and the dogs are actually fighting, and it looks like there's a duel going on, like a duel between, I don't know, this is a cat, maybe a cat officer fighting a Roman officer. Or, I mean, sorry, a cat officer fighting. See, some of this is confusing because the cats are supposed to be the Romans. I don't know why it would be fighting another Roman. And then we've got the dogs walking in the background. That's sort of bizarre, but I still think this is quite wonderful. So notice again that the dogs have something like strapped to their bodies. And yeah, I think this is a really wonderful video. Again, this is what it looks like when you download it. Okay, and now before I run out of time, what I want to do is I want to actually upload an image, kind of like this, kind of like the image. This one I think was they uploaded the image of a cat and then had them do a Olympic dive. And what I want to do is upload the image of a fox and make a video of this fox playing violin in the rain next to a mountain. Next to a mountain. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to upload the image here and then pass in that prompt. Okay, so I'm going to pass in this prompt. So I've uploaded an image of a fox, and I said, make a video of this fox playing violin in the rain next to a mountain. And your video is being generated. And the last one took, I think, more than 2 minutes to generate. So I'll come back when this is done. It might take a bit to finish. So you'll see something like this if it's generating. And I'll come back when this is done. Okay, so the video finished, and see here, click on this. So look, that's pretty wonderful. I think that's amazing. So literally it just took the image I gave it, and it's smart enough to know that this is roughly playing the violin. Okay, I mean, positioning is not exactly correct, and then of course it has 5 legs. Okay, foxes just have 4 legs, but I still think this is a wonderful video. And this is the video downloaded. So yeah, I think this is quite good. And again, it's made by Minimax. Minimax is the company, and I've already made a video about Minimax. And Hailuo is the AI generator. So I definitely think this is worth checking out, Hailuo AI. So again, you can go to hailuo.video. That's the URL, hailuo.video. And I think that you might enjoy this very much. And I was just showing you with the free version. The paid version, you probably can get much more and maybe even get sound. But again, I think This is such a wonderful video. It has the sound, and this is basically like a human swimming diver, but a cat. So you look like it's so perfect because that's how a human, like a human diver would do it, but it's a cat. And then someone had uploaded the image of a cat, and I think that's just wonderful. And then we've got, so AI video is getting so good, and I really do believe someday, very soon, it'll be almost impossible to tell the difference between a real video made with a real camera and an AI generated video. Okay, so again, this is Hailuo AI, a text to video generator, and it's amazing because you can also upload an image, an original. You can upload an image to it, and it can take that image and make a video from it along with the text prompt you give it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. If you could, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to or follow this channel. Again, see you in the next one. Thank you.